Hello everybody! Welcome back to art. Today we are going to explore creating a heart using lines, and you can also use this for a square one art project. Our goal is to create a name heart using lines.
Yay! A heart. I love hearts. Hearts represent love to me. Oh, I'm so excited to create a heart. How do I do it? What are we going to use?
Well, we're going to use lines, all different kinds of lines. And if you have a paper like this, it might have your name on this side. Well, we're going to do a practice first. When you create art, oftentimes you do a practice draft first. And I have a template that we're going to trace, a little template to trace a square in. So I'm going to take a pencil and hold this very still. You might need a partner to help you hold it. Now for the video, I'm going to use a marker so that you can see it. But it's really important that you use a pencil so that you can erase it if need be. I might have missed a spot, so I'm going to use my marker to trace over it. Now I'm going to create a little dot right here in the middle, and a diagonal line and a diagonal line. Looks like a triangle, right? Another dot at the bottom, and I'm going to go to dot to the side, and I created more diagonal lines. Curved line here on the end, and look at that, a heart. So I used some diagonal lines to create my heart, and now I want to add my name. So I'm going to create a horizontal line across, and another horizontal line. It looks like a big, thick line, and I'm going to write my name big, huge, gigantic, so people can see it. I'm going to start at the bottom line and go all the way to the top of the line and draw the biggest name that I've ever drawn. Now you're going to do all this in pencil, and then we're going to start drawing every line that we know. So I have a broken line, curved lines. What lines do you know? What's that line called? One more thing, let's write the date, the year. I'm not sure what year it is for you. Here it is 2021. I'm going to continue adding lines until my whole heart is filled up with lines. Later on, we're going to trace over our lines with crayon. So I'm going to cover each line that I made with pencil using a crayon. And I'm just carefully taking my time, but in this video, I fast forwarded it to make it a lot faster for you to see. I just want you to get the general idea of what we're going to do. So I traced all my lines with crayon.
All right. Yay! I'm excited to create my name heart too. I know so many lines.
Yep, and then next time we're going to flip this over and do our final draft. That means our final copy. So, what do we do to get started? Do you remember? We're going to trace this template and we're going to share it with our partner when we're done. And then I'm going to create those diagonal lines. Now, if you'd like to follow along step by step, take a look at these pictures. You can pause the video and follow along. Step 1, trace. So you'll have a nice box. Step 2, add a dot in the middle. Step 3, create a triangle using diagonal lines. Add a dot on the bottom and the two sides, and create diagonal lines connecting those dots. Next, create two horizontal lines and write your name huge. Not my name, your name. Add the date, find out from your teacher what year it is, and then fill your heart up with lines. Afterwards, you can trace it with crayon. I hope you enjoy. Have fun with your name heart.